Letter number 59. 2. Aswad ibn Qurtaba, the governor of Hulwan. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Now, if the actions of a governor follow the passions, he will be greatly hampered in justice. All the people should be equal in right before you, because injustice cannot be a substitute for justice. Avoid that thing the like of which you would not like for yourself. Exert yourself in what Allah has made obligatory on you, hoping for His reward and fearing His chastisement. Know that this world is the place of trial. Whoever here wastes any hour of his time will repent it on the day of judgment. And nothing can ever make you free of need of what is right. One of the rights on you is that you should protect yourself from sins, and look after the subjects to your best. The benefit that will come to you from this will be greater than that which will accrue to people through you, and that is an end to the matter.